Hello everyone, this is a tutorial on how to install the Hackt1vator all-in-one tool. Let's start by going to our web browser and going to hackt1vator.com. There will be a link in the description as well. Go to downloads, agree to the terms of use, but before we download there's one important step. Go to your settings, go to privacy and security, Windows security, virus and threat protection, manage settings, turn off every option in this menu. This is because there are certain parts of the Hackt1vator tool that can cause this to go off. The tool is safe, but it's not needed. Now I'll get the Windows download. It might say it's not safe. Press keep. Open the file. In the Hackt1vator setup wizard, click next. You can set a different installation folder, but for most people you just want to leave it as this. If it asks you, click yes. There you go, you just installed Hackt1vator.